Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's video is going to be you helping me pack my everyday makeup kit. So first off, this kit is from Shein. It has a handle. It was super cheap. I think it was like £3, and it's a pretty decent size, especially for travel. Ignore the lipstick on my desk. It needs cleaning, and also glue from Super Glue. Again, I need to scrape this off. But anyways, moving on. The good thing about this case is you can actually clean it. I did have my cheek tint leak all over this, which was bright pink, and it has fully come off. So that's a win. Let's jump to my completely cluttered already makeup drawers. Okay, so this is currently the state of my second drawer. Now this is all my current blushes, bronzers, and yeah, there's mascaras. There's a lot more in here than there was in my previous decluttering video because of PR and such, and it's just built up a little bit. So there will be another decluttering coming maybe in another month, but for now this is where we stand. And the top drawer, if I show you that as well, is complete chaos. So this is currently the top drawer. We've got all our eye products here, our individuals, which I'm such a big fan of at the moment. We've got my everyday go-to kind of lip products, which no longer actually fit inside the stand. Concealers, we've got liquid and cream highlighters at the back, powders, and then obviously foundations and tints. So with that being the knowledge, we're going to build a kit of stuff. I do also have to show you this because this is a new addition. This has all of my lip liners and my cream shadow sticks and eyeliners because I couldn't find a home for them, and that is the one thing I just can't part with. So they are in there. Alright, the first thing I'm going to be putting in the makeup kit is this Tower 28 translucent setting powder. This is a pressed powder, and it's in, I guess it's in the shade Get Set, but it's translucent. So I've never tried this before. This was new in PR, and I wanted to add it to the kit. Because I have a bit of tan and it's summer, then I'm going to be trying my Forever Hydra Nude from Dior, which is very lightweight in consistency. I'm also going to go in with the Shiseido Synchro Skin Concealer and the Kosas, which is my favourite, but I need to try the Shiseido more, so I thought I would put it in my kit to actually make me try it a bit more. You guys know I love this highlighter from MAC. This is the Extra Dimension in Double Gleam, and it just makes your skin look like it has water on. It's so glossy and beautiful, so I had to add that one too. I recently got this Perfect Pout pencil from Zoeva when I did a campaign for them, and this colour I actually was so in love with, so I wanted to pop it in my everyday kit because I was really shocked how well this suited me. You may be surprised about this next one from Tower 28. This is a really pretty sparkly lip gloss in Magic, and I just really liked the glitter. I think it would be a really nice topper. I'm really into a nice pink lip gloss as well, and Say is one of my favourite brands. This is in the shade Burst, and it's a beautiful kind of corally pink, so added to the kit. I really love this mascara. This is my Armani Vertigo Lift. I'm trying to use it up because it's been opened, so this is going in the kit as well. Two blushes. I'm going in with the Nude Sticks in Sunkissed because I haven't used this in a hot minute, and I think it's about time I did. And then the second one is from Merit, and this is the Cheeky Blush Balm Stick. I think Flush Balm Stick. So yeah, gonna try this for a bit longer too. Two bronzers. We've got Sudden Heat, which is a bronzing stick from Morphe, and then I also have the Givenchy Prisme Libre bronzing powder in 002. I really love this. If you guys love the original powder, you may love this bronzer. My two favourite NARS Cream Matte eyeshadow sticks in Adults Only and Oblivion as a base for my eyeshadows. I had to add them, of course. Two lip liners. We've got the Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Kylie, I think. Yeah, Kylie. And then also the Dior one, which is in the shade 100, and then the Huda Beauty Lip Stain as well in Rosewood. So that's it for the main bulk of my makeup kit, and stay tuned for my next video because I am going to be creating a custom MAC eyeshadow palette quad to put in there as well for my travel and for every day. So subscribe and stay tuned.